Wave 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Amber Kuehlen with 31 Triple Doppler.
All right, let's get right to it because I know everyone's eyes are on the weekend. We are still looking at that chance for a wintry mix at times. Starting early in the day on Saturday, we may see this transition to a cold rain during the afternoon, even into the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday, and a transition back to a wintry mix as we head into the end of the event on Sunday afternoon. Right now, here's the latest. We have ice storm warnings for you in Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties that will go into effect midnight tonight, lasting until 6 p.m. on Sunday evening. For the rest of the Tennessee Valley, you have that winter weather advisory runs through the same time period. So again, the entire area does have that chance of seeing some wintry precip. Let's go ahead and time things out for you on future radar. I have the temperatures on here as well, so you can get a better idea of what we're looking at as we head towards the weekend. No problems today. We'll keep a mix of sun and clouds through the rest of the afternoon. Heading into the start of tomorrow, here's 4 a.m. on your Saturday. All of us below freezing at this point. We could start to see that wintry mix take place over in northwest Alabama, and then it will spread through the rest of North Alabama heading into the later morning hours. We'll stop this at 10 o'clock. Notice for you over towards Sand Mountain, your temperatures are starting to warm and you're above freezing at this point. Right at freezing for you in Huntsville and Decatur. Down into Coleman, you're above freezing as well. As we head into the later afternoon hours, here's 3 o'clock. Pretty much all of us across North Alabama now are above freezing. So that's when we may start to see that changeover from that wintry mix to a cold rain, and it will continue to rain during the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday. And by Sunday, we could see some pockets of heavier rain across North Alabama. Here's 11:30 on your Sunday morning. Notice these temperatures for most of us, we're in the upper 30s, low to even possibly middle 40s across the area. So this will be just rain at that point, but as the system comes to an end, we may start to see that transition back to a wintry mix as that really cold air starts to push into North Alabama. Here's your winter weather impacts as we head towards the weekend. Your highest impacts will be across northwest Alabama, where you do see that wintry mix for the longest period of time. We may also see a couple of impacts over in the higher elevations of Jackson and DeKalb County, where we see that transition back to a wintry mix on Sunday. But for the rest of us, we're talking Huntsville, Athens, Decatur, Coleman, Gunnersville, even possibly Scottsboro, lowest impacts from the system. As we head towards the weekend, the things we'll be looking for is travel impacts. Slick roads will be possible, especially in northwest Alabama. Cold temperatures will impact all of us starting on Monday. We won't make it out of the 20s for highs, and then power outages will also be a possibility, mainly in northwest Alabama, where we see those more impacts from the wintry precip. Look at your high on Monday. 26 degrees. Will finally warm back above freezing as we head into Tuesday of next week. 31 Triple Doppler right now is quiet and dry. Our system still off to the west near the Four Corners. This will make its way across the entire eastern half of the United States heading into the weekend. Your forecast highs today cooler than yesterday. We're in the 40s for those highs for most of us throughout the afternoon hours. Here's your 10-day forecast for you, and again, all eyes on the weekend. After that, though, Monday, we're stuck in the 20s for highs, teens and 20s for your overnight lows all of next week. Stay with us. We'll be right back.